Hey, this is Madison. Let's install the Crayon Jump. Before starting, I made sure to sweep and mop the floors really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. I'll start by cutting apart the crayons. Next, I'll plan the placement of the crayons. Don't worry, we include a layout guide to make this step easy. There are two different install options. Here's option 1. I'll remove the backing from my crayon and place one side onto the floor. Using a wave motion with my squeegee, I'll carefully guide the crayon down. For option 2, I'll apply 2 pieces of tape to the crayon. Next, I'll remove some of the image to expose the backing. I will cut part of the backing off and place a portion of the crayon down. I can then remove the tape and backing to apply the rest of the crayon. I'll use option 1 to apply the remaining crayons. And that's it. See you next time.